Have you noticed everyday tasks getting harder? Carrying groceries, walking upstairs, or even just lifting things that used to feel light and easy? Maybe you find yourself pausing to catch your breath, or feeling a little more tired after simple chores. Getting up from a chair or opening a stubborn jar lid can suddenly feel like a real challenge. These small struggles can be frustrating, and sometimes even a little scary. That creeping weakness isn't just old age, it's actually called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that happens as we get older, and it affects nearly everyone to some degree. It sneaks up on us, quietly stealing strength and independence, making us feel less confident in our bodies. Over time, it can even make us more prone to falls or injuries. But here's the good news. This isn't a life sentence, and you're not powerless. There are real practical steps you can take to slow down, stop, or even reverse this process. You can fight back and rebuild your strength no matter your age. Simple activities like gentle resistance training, stretching, and regular movement can make a huge difference. And you don't need fancy gyms or complicated routines. Everyday items like canned goods or water bottles can become your workout tools right in your living room. The answer is simple, affordable, and likely already in your kitchen. Nutrition plays a huge role in keeping your muscles strong, and it starts with the foods you choose every day. Forget bland diets. This is about real, delicious food that helps you reclaim your vitality. Eating the right balance of protein and nutrients can help your body repair and build muscle, so you feel more energetic and alive. Ready to discover the secret to feeling stronger and more energetic? Let's dive in and explore how you can take charge of your strength and well-being, starting today. The powerhouse food I'm talking about? The humble whole egg. Eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and packed with the nutrients your muscles crave. Don't worry about old myths. We'll tackle those soon. Think of eggs as nature's perfect muscle-building package. High-quality protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. The yolk is just as important as the white. Together, they deliver everything your body needs to rebuild muscle. Adding eggs to your daily routine is a simple, delicious way to boost your strength. Let's see why eggs are so effective. What makes eggs so special for muscle health? It's a question many people ask, especially as we get older and want to stay active and independent. Eggs have long been a breakfast staple, but their benefits go far beyond just being quick and easy to prepare. The secret lies in their complete protein profile. Unlike many other foods, eggs contain all the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow stronger. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth. Leucine acts like a switch, telling your body to start building and repairing muscle tissue after activity. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, so we actually need more leucine to get the same muscle-building effect. Eggs deliver this vital nutrient in spades, making them especially valuable for older adults. Research shows that eating whole eggs after exercise builds more muscle than just eating egg whites. That's because the yolk contains important nutrients that work together with the protein in the white. The yolk's nutrients, like vitamin D and choline, work with the protein to support muscle and nerve health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones, while choline supports brain and nerve function. Low vitamin D is linked to weakness and falls, so the yolk is crucial. Getting enough of these nutrients can help you stay steady on your feet and maintain your independence as you age. Nature's packaging is smarter than separating the parts. When you eat the whole egg, you get a perfect balance of nutrients designed to work together for your health. By eating whole eggs, you're fueling your muscles, supporting your bones, and giving your entire movement system the nutrition it needs to thrive. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you feel and move every day. It's a simple, science-backed way to stay strong, energetic, and ready for whatever life brings. So how do you make eggs a daily habit? Let's explore some easy and delicious ways to add them to your routine. Looking for a simple way to boost your energy, support your muscles, and feel your best every day? Eggs are a powerhouse food that can easily fit into your routine. Here's how to get more eggs into your life. First, make eggs your go-to breakfast. They're quick to prepare, affordable, and packed with high-quality protein and essential nutrients. 2 scrambled eggs with colorful veggies not only keep you full for hours, but also kickstart muscle repair and help maintain steady energy throughout the morning. Add a slice of whole grain toast for extra fiber and satisfaction. Second, enjoy eggs any time of day. Hard-boiled eggs make a perfect grab-and-go snack, or slice them onto salads for a protein boost at lunch. Or try baking eggs into a veggie frittata for a simple, satisfying dinner that the whole family can enjoy. Keep a few hard-boiled eggs in the fridge at all times for quick, healthy fuel when you need it most, whether it's after a walk, before an appointment, or as a midday pick-me-up. Third, pair eggs with movement. Eating protein after activity helps your body recover and build strength. After a walk or light exercise, your muscles are primed to use that protein for repair and growth, helping you stay active and independent. You don't need intense workouts, just consistent daily activity. Even a short stroll, some gardening, or gentle stretching counts. Small habits add up. 2 eggs and a short walk each day can truly transform your strength, energy, and overall well-being over time. Focus on consistency, not perfection. It's the small, repeated choices that make the biggest difference in your health journey. These simple steps are investments in your future independence, helping you stay strong, active, and confident as you age. Start today and watch your energy, strength, and confidence grow with every meal and every step you take. Now let's clear up the cholesterol confusion. Many people worry about eggs, but research shows they can be part of a heart-healthy diet for most adults. Your muscles and your heart will thank you for making eggs a regular part of your day. Worried about cholesterol? Don't be. Science now shows dietary cholesterol, like that in eggs, has little effect on most people's blood cholesterol. Your body balances cholesterol naturally, and major health organizations no longer limit egg intake for healthy adults. The real culprits for heart disease are saturated fats, trans fats, and excess sugar, not eggs.